Let's unlock the power of remote access and securely connect to your Ubuntu server using the dynamic duo of Openssh and PuTTY. First, let's get Openssh server installed on your Ubuntu machine. Think of it as the gatekeeper that allows remote connections. Open your terminal. This is where the magic starts. We'll need to use a special tool called the App Package Manager to easily install Openssh. Keep in mind, you may need to enter your password to proceed. Next, it's time to verify the Openssh server is actually running on your Ubuntu machine and listening for incoming connections, and that this gatekeeper is ready for action. To verify this, we will use a command to check the status. Now, let's consider the firewall, acting like a security guard. You may need to adjust the firewall to allow connections to the Openssh port. Typically, this port is number 22. The default for SSH traffic firewalls are powerful tools depending on your setup. You'll need to allow connections on port 22 or consider other configurations if necessary. Alright, switching gears to PuTTY. Fire up PuTTY, the client software on your Windows machine. To initiate the connection, in the host name field, enter your Ubuntu server's IP address, essentially the address of your Ubuntu machine. Then, ensure the port field is set to 22. We will also specify is SSH. Before you click open, consider saving this connection for future ease. You can name the session and click save. Now, go ahead and click the open button. Get ready to enter your username and password for the remote connection. Upon successful entry of your Ubuntu username and password in the PuTTY window, you'll be connected to your Ubuntu server's terminal. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a secure connection, ready to remotely control and manage your Ubuntu server.